I will show you how to ask the buyer questions. Let's get started. Google Ads services. If the clients comes about Google Ads service, then I need to ask the client. First questions: is your website available or not? Second questions: give me your website and I will audit it. Third questions: what is the type of your business? Fourth questions: have you run ads before? Fifth questions: if you have run ads, what were the results? Are you happy or not happy? Sixth: is your business new? 7. What do you want now? 8. How can I help you? First step. And second step, Google Ads campaign buyer requirement. What to take from the clients? First, Google Ads account access. Next, website link or landing page link. Next, ads running on schedule. Next, location targeting. Next, daily ads budget. We will ask the buyer these questions. That's all for today. See you in another video. Thanks.